Now, while India is grieving, naturally there's a rush of sorrow, anger, and even distrust in our hearts after the brutal attack in Pahalgam. We must, of course, remind ourselves that in this darkest moment, there are some lights that shine bright. Now, in the face of death and destruction in Pahalgam, there were ordinary Kashmiri Muslims who didn't back down. They did not flee. They, in fact, ran towards the gunfire and were the first to help the victims. One such person was 29-year-old Syed Adil Hussain Shah, a pony ride operator from Hapatnar village. In fact, he saw the gunmen and all that bloodshed that happened there. He saw that panic, but instead of running away, he decided to run towards the face of terror. All with just his bravery. We hear he confronted one of the gunmen there and asked, "Why are you killing innocent people?" He tried to grab his rifle as well, but moments later, he was gunned down. In fact, this man had no weapon. He did it all out of his courage to protect the innocent lives, but he was killed. His sister now fighting back tears. In fact, the family of Syed Adil remembers him very fondly as a man who always helped the others, irrespective of caste, religion, or whatever. Locals say that he is the real embodiment of Kashmiriyat. That is peace, courage, spirit, hospitality, as per what locals say, is what runs deep in the hearts of true Kashmiris.
बहुत फकर है उसकी शहादत पे। उसकी फकर के लिए मैं इस वक्त जिंदा हूँ, नहीं तो उसकी जवानी, उसकी शक्ल, उसकी ये देखकर मैं भी मर जाता। फिर उसी वक्त जब उसकी डेथ हुई तो मैं भी अपनी जान गंवा देता, लेकिन इस बहादुरी की वजह से मैं खुश हूँ और मेरी जान भी बच गई कि उसने और लोगों, सियाहों को बचाया, उन औरतों को वहाँ पे बचाया, उन बच्चों को बचाया। कुछ लोग उसकी वजह से बच गए। ये मुझे बहुत बड़ा नाज है उनका। ऐसी मांग है कि ऐसी इनकी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। जैसे हमारे बच्चे पर इन्होंने कुछ नहीं देखा तो हम उन पर क्या देखेंगे। इनको कड़ी सी कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। इनको पूरे मौत के घाट उतारना चाहिए।
गया मजदूरी किते अगू गया उता गया ना कहन उनकी जान बचेंदा जिंदा अपनी जान देकर चला गया। क्या करूं? और ये एक बंदा था जिड़ा मेरे लिए कमा कांदा, और कौन था? क्या करूं हम? ए भी बूढ़ा, मैं भी बूढ़ी, ये बीमार था। इसको वही आशा दवा शवा आन का देना, क्या करा? कौन आन सी, कौन देसी?